In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up Apple Wallet and Google Wallet order tracking with Trackr and customize the experience across your post-purchase journey. To get started, log into your Shopify admin and select Apps from the left-hand menu. Then, open Trackr. On the Trackr dashboard, you'll find the new Apple and Google Wallet feature. Click the banner to open the wallet settings. From the wallet settings, you can enable order tracking across different post-purchase touchpoints. Let's start with the thank you page. Enable the setting to allow customers to add their order to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet based on their device. You can then open the checkout editor to see how the wallet options appear on the thank you page. Customers using an Apple device will see Add to Apple Wallet, while customers using an Android device will see Add to Google Wallet. Once you open the editor, you'll find an option to enable wallet tracking to your left. Enable wallets for thank you page, see the preview and click on the Save button at top right corner. You can also enable wallet tracking on the order status page. This gives customers another opportunity to add their order to their preferred wallet and track it after completing their purchase. Open the order status page to preview how the wallet options appear alongside the order details. Similarly, you can also enable Apple and Google Wallets for tracking pages and tracking emails as well. Once you've enabled the wallet options, you can customize the information displayed on your wallet order pages. Under Customize Wallet Settings, you can add your store logo, store URL, order management page URL, and optional customer support details such as your email address, phone number, and contact page. For Google Wallet, you also have access to advanced customization. Here, you can customize the customer support email subject and email body. You can further customize the appearance of your Google Wallet Pass by changing its background color. Once everything is configured, customers can access their order and tracking information directly through Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. With Trackr, you can enable wallet tracking across your thank you page, order status page, tracking page, and tracking emails, while customizing the information and experience to match your store. And that's it. Your Apple and Google Wallet order tracking is now ready for your customers.